We provide you the platform to turn your dreams into reality. Give wings to your aspirations with KR Mangalam University.
Hello viewers, the clock is running out. A big chance for students waiting to study Polytechnic in Assam is about to end. The Assam PAT application form 2025 is online at dte.assam.gov.in, but you must act first, because the last day to apply in June 7th. Don't miss this important date to start your journey in engineering and technology. Well, your future is waiting, but the time is short. So let's deep dive into the details. So the Directorate of Technical Education Assam has opened online applications for the Assam PAT 2025 on their official website, which is dte.assam.gov.in. Well, this is your chance to apply for admissions into the 3-year diploma in engineering and technology courses in Assam's government polytechnics for the 2025 and 2026 academic year. And the application window is open from May 19 to June 7, 2025 only. Online applications are accepted. And before applying, ensure you thoroughly read the information brochure, fill out the form and with valid details and upload all the required documents. And generally, candidates must be permanently resident of Assam, but those under the central government employee quota are also applied. Like eligibility requires passing HSLC or an equivalent exam in a single sitting with the mathematics and science as compulsory subjects. So don't delay. Apply before June 7, 2025 to secure your slot. And to avoid last-minute problems when apply for the Assam PAT 2025, make sure you have these documents ready before applying, like a scanned photo and signature, and proof of age and ID of your class 10th and class 12, mark sheet and certificate of permanent residence as well. And also you have required permanent residence certificate, which is PRC, or its application receipt, or caste or category wise certificate also. And when you fully complete your Assam PAT application, you must pay the required fee also of ₹300 plus an extra fees, which is taxes, and using the online permanent and payment link provided. But it's very important to remember that your application form will only be officially submitted after your payment is successfully proceeded. But make sure to pay within the deadlines. And to successfully register for Assam PAT 2025, you will need a valid email ID and mobile number. First, you go to the official DTE Assam website, which is again dte.assam.gov.in, and click on admissions into state government polytechnics for the session of 2025 to 26. And a new page will open with registration links, and click new registration and read all the important instructions. And then enter your full name, email ID, phone number, choose a password and fill in the CAPTCHA code. And then after clicking register, you will get an OTP on an email or a mobile number. And then enter the OTP and the CAPTCHA to finish your registration. And once done, you will get a registration number and keep this safe for the future use. And then after successfully registering for the Assam PAT 2025, you will need to log in with your email and password to complete your application. Like again, a new page will appear where you should carefully fill out your profile and including accurate caste and family income details to avail any benefits, and upload your NCL certificate in the applicable, and enter your address and then save and proceed. And next, fill in all required details and upload relevant documents in the format. And then review everything you need to know, and using the final review and then select, which is submit and lock to confirm. And once your profile is locked, the choice filling window will open selected diploma program and 3-year diploma in engineering and technology in polytechnics, and then choose and review your preference before proceeding to academic details. Like fill in your academic information and accurately preview and click submit finally, and tick the verification boxes and select SBI, ePay or a payment, or upon successfully completion your application will be submitted, and then you will get to your dashboard to check your status. But don't forget to print your application form for the future reference. Till then, keep watching Jagran Josh for more updates.